Hey there, Trevor here from TrevorMcAfee.com. Today we're going to be doing a review of PLR Monster, and I'm going to reveal my exclusive massive bonus for you today. So in a nutshell, PLR Monster is a collection of 99 complete PLR packages covering many different niches. They're all very high quality content, and they come with everything you need to make these start working for you right away. Now, each of the packages inside PLR Monster contain private label rights to high quality and professionally written ebooks, sales letters, custom designed squeeze pages, you name it, it's all in this package. Now, why is PLR content and PLR Monster important to you? It means you don't have to spend painful hours of researching and time creating your own products. No more learning curves. You just download these products, upload them onto your server and website, and you are all set to go. This is an amazing product. It is deeply discounted for a limited time. They do this at Halloween every year, so I suggest that you get your hands on this package. If nothing else, I would suggest you at least watch this video, see what it's all about, and then make a decision after that. And if you decide to grab PLR Monster through my link and my videos, you're also going to receive my exclusive, massive PLR bonus where I've teamed up with my friend Robert and we've created a great bonus for you. Now, when I reveal these bonuses to you, you know that you're going to make even more money when you combine it with PLR Monster. So let's check out the bonuses below. Now, the first bonus that we have for you is what we call a live PLR bootcamp. You're going to watch us live take a product from PLR Monster and transform it into our own product, just like you are going to do to make money. You're going to watch us step by step take one of these products from PLR Monster and convert it into a profit-pulling machine. You're going to be able to take each one of these products, or any PLR product for that matter, and turn it into a profit machine. Your own product where you're going to collect 100% of the profits. The next bonus we have for you is our very own personal support until you're successful. You know, like I say here, there's no worse feeling than being stuck and alone. Robert and I are going to be there every step of the way. So no matter what roadblocks that you have, we will be there to help you get past them. You know, we each have over 10 years of experience in building online businesses, and we know that we can help you make this PLR Monster bundle work for you. Next, we have a PLR Development Mastermind session. So what Robert and I have decided to do is to give you up to 4 hours of our time, just one-on-one. So if you get stuck or something you're not sure about, or you want us to look at your funnel, or whatever the case may be, we'll get on a Skype call, a Zoom call, however we decide to connect, and we're going to walk you through every step of the way. So this is personal one-on-one time that we're going to help you get to the next level in your business. Next, once you have your business up and running, you need traffic. Every business needs traffic. It's the lifeblood of any online business. We're going to give you these traffic cheat sheets that are going to work you through 20 different ways that you can drive traffic. Once you master one, you start stacking them one on top of the other, and you're just going to get a ton of traffic to your products. Next, we have a Profit from PLR ebook. Or a course. So this is going to show you how to take these new packages and make PLR work for you in different ways. So instead of just taking this product and selling it and making money that way, there's so many different ways that you can profit from PLR, and it doesn't have to be selling a package online. You can use it in many different ways to generate income. Now we have an easy link cloaker. So most people don't like those big long affiliate links. They look ugly. This is going to be your own affiliate link tracker, or any link tracker where it's going to show you, your clicks and where they come from and all that kind of stuff. Link tracking and click tracking is very important to know the metrics in your business. And last but not least, we have how to sell your new product on ClickBank. So now that your product's all set up, ready to go, you need to put it somewhere. You need to be able to sell it. And the best way to sell things is using affiliate power. So this is going to show you exactly how to set it up on ClickBank for you to ready to go, get affiliates, no problem, and they're going to start selling this stuff for you. Now, when you decide to grab this, and I say when because this is a great package, Just make sure that you follow the instructions here on the bonus page. I'm going to put a link below this video and on my other pages that you can get to this, the bonus page. Just make sure you clear your cookies, click the buy button, and you'll be able to access your bonus right here. So this is PLR Monster. So now that we've gone through the bonuses, let's go into the members area and show you exactly what you're going to get. Now, just before we jump into the members area, I just want to show you the sales page real quick. So each one of these packages, and I've developed and created PLR packages in the past, and they do cost a lot of money. They, you know, from the writing, the sales graphics, all that kind of stuff, you're looking at about $1,000 a package. So you're getting 99. That's worth $99,000 for just $99. Okay, so they show you here the profit of PLR products or selling your own products. Okay, it is very powerful. It's a very powerful business model to use, especially when starting out. Okay, but they've got all their products here. There's 99 of these. So when you come here, have a look at the ones that you like. But there's all kinds of different niches. Doesn't matter what you have. My suggestion was you take these, and after we show you how to make them your own and exclusive and all that stuff, I would put them all on ClickBank, and you're going to start to get sales. Okay, so let's just jump into the members area, and I'll show you what's inside. So here we are in the members area. They've got special training webinars. They've got their own bonuses too that they're giving away. That's one thing I did forget to show you on the other page. They are putting together training. So they've got a learning how to use and profit from PLR products, and they're showing you traffic. They got two massive trainings inside there, okay? And they're having another special training in here, okay? So this is done by Dan and Dave, and they are amazing. Dave is awesome. So now that we're in the members area, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go to the downloads. So depending on what you've purchased, the front end product is 99 bucks. Which is PLR Monster. You click on PLR Monster, and it's going to take you to the download page. So what they've done here is they've split it up into different packages. So you can just click on here and download each package, and you're ready to go. It will download them all, open them up, pick the ones you want, and then we're going to start transforming them from there. Now, one of the upsells that they do have is for a monthly PLR membership. Now, PLR is awesome. You can do so many different things for you. I am actually a member of PLR Monthly. They have a monthly package, and you download it. You can use PLR for so many different things: blog content, email content, training, you know, create videos, all kinds of stuff. So I suggest having a look at that. It's $9.95 a month, but I would first look at using the content within PLR Monster. They also have a graphics package and a reseller program. But really, at the end of the day, the biggest benefit to this package is the 99 products. So once you come in here, they've also got a video training that's going to show you through all the different stuff, like, you know, introduction to PLR, you know, how to make it unique, how to change it, and they've got all kinds of resources in here. So there's really great training on how to use PLR and transform it, editing the sales pages and FTP and all that kind of stuff. Robert and I are going to go through all this and show you all this, but they do have training in here for you as well. And the last thing I want to show you here is the resources section. So they've given you a whole bunch of links to a bunch of different resources that they use, you know, how they affiliate platforms, you know, somebody do their graphics, you know, how to upload, different hosting, you know, a whole bunch of PLR articles here. And there's a whole bunch of stuff that Robert and I will teach you on our live seminars too. But this is a great package, guys. I highly recommend this. Dan and Dave have been doing this a long time. They've been in PLR game a long time. They put together high quality content. I do recommend getting the PLR Monster. I also recommend, you know, heading over here onto Robert and I's bonus page and have a look at some of these bonuses, see what we do. But really, at the end of the day, we are giving you so much value. You're going to just see, you know, a lot of PLR stuff out there as bonuses. We are actually going to be on live. We're going to give you our personal time. You know, there's no better bonus than what Robert and I are doing for you for PLR Monster. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment. You know, reply to the video, reply to, you know, any of the blog posts or whatever. Get in contact with us. We want to help you out. grab PLR Monster, and we're going to hold your hand step by step and make sure this works for you. So guys, check this out, and I will see you in the next video.